How do modern solopreneurs run highly lucrative corporations with near zero labor costs, while traditional agencies collapse under overhead? Most operators are stuck manually doing everything themselves. Here is a beginner's guide to AI automation and the future of work. To scale smoothly in this new era, you must fundamentally change how you treat digital tasks. Let's break down a basic everyday business trap. Imagine running a small online consulting business or service agency. You handle multiple clients every day, but your administrative workload is completely unmanaged. This triggers a massive fixed labor burden. You must hire human assistants just to respond to emails, generate invoices manually, and type rows of client numbers into disconnected spreadsheets. As your business grows, your fixed expenses skyrocket. Most of your hand earned revenue gets eaten by management, training, and fixed salaries before you ever pocket a real profit. This is the traditional overhead trap. Now let's observe how the smart 1% execute work today. Look at the modern autonomous agent model used by lean solo operators. They completely bypass the human labor burden. Instead of hiring permanent employees, they deploy a connected team of autonomous AI agents to execute specific tasks 24 hours a day. The data glides fluidly across your platforms without human clicks. Agent 1 scans your email, Agent 2 transfers the request to draft an invoice, Agent 3 handles instant client delivery. The entire engine scales infinitely for a fraction of the cost. To understand this intelligence leap, you must realize that we have moved completely past basic chat prompts. Standard chatbots like ChatGPT are completely passive. They require you to sit down, type a prompt manually, and wait for a response every time. Autonomous AI agents are active. You give them a clear goal, an integrated toolkit, and the systemic authority to execute tasks without your constant supervision. Chatbots converse, agents execute. Let's peek under the hood to see exactly how these digital worker teams coordinate. The entire digital assembly line launches from a single trigger event. Like a client filling out a website form, Agent 1 instantly researches the company metrics. Agent 2 builds a tailored project proposal template. Agent 3 fires the document straight to their email inbox in under 60 seconds. Let's analyze the mathematical disruption altering modern profit margins. Imagine 10 data processing events inside an agency. An old school business pays $3,000 a month in fixed human labor to process 500 client files. An agent driven business pays roughly $15 a month in API data tokens to execute those exact same 500 entries instantly. By substituting fixed salaries with cheap software scripts, the automated created commands of 95% pure profit margin. This allows them to price traditional competitors completely out of the market. To thrive in this economy, follow step number 1. Stop being the worker, become the architect. If the repetitive clicks define your day, automation will replace you. Stop competing with AI on basic execution speed. Shift your focus to designing the workflows, mapping the strategy, and setting the quality filters. Step number 2, master system integration. The highest paid operators do not build complex artificial intelligence models from scratch. They simply learn to link existing tools together. Secure proficiency inside no code automation platforms like Make, Zapier, N8, N to make distinct programs to talk to each other. You can deploy 3 agent plays today. First, build a content researcher to auto-scan news sites and drop viral trend summaries into your notes. Second, build an automated onboarding loop to instantly generate client folders, welcome contracts, and assets. Third, launch a distribution engine that breaks your video script into text variations across global cross channels. Stop performing manual data labor in a digital era. Build your automated agent army. Drop a comment below identifying the task you want to automate first and subscribe to the Smart Thinker Club to secure your leverages.